2024 to 2025, Norinco pursued high-value asset acquisitions in Africa, notably attempting to acquire CAMAF's copper and cobalt assets in the DRC, a deal that made headlines and stirred geopolitical concern. Modern battlefield machines see with cameras, thermal sensors, and LiDAR. Algorithms turn that into decisions. Norinco has been integrating these subsystems into both commercial and military platforms. Autonomous ground vehicles and unmanned aerial systems form the backbone of Norinco's future battlefield. Software for navigation and target detection sits on top of specialized chips. Guided munitions rely on sensor fusion and real-time processing. That means more powerful onboard processors, the kind only a few chipmakers can deliver. Where does that processing happen? On specialized accelerators, GPUs, NPUs, FPGAs, chips that are scarce and geopolitically contested. Advanced chips are made by a tiny set of foundries and require extreme UV lithography tools from companies like ASML. TSMC dominates cutting-edge manufacturing. China pursues SMIC and domestic alternatives. Export controls on high-end AI chips have been tightened by the US, making it harder for Chinese companies to acquire NVIDIA-class accelerators. This forces domestic alternatives but slows progress. Without the latest chips, an autonomous turret may have to offload computing to remote servers. But that increases latency and vulnerability. That's the real strategic cost. Norinco exports weapons and undertakes engineering projects globally. But many of these deals are dual use. Infrastructure now, military tie-ins later. In 2024 to 2025, Norinco pursued CAMAF's copper-cobalt assets in Congo, critical materials for batteries and electronics. This sparked geopolitical pushback and scrutiny. Large state-backed financing often follows these deals, blurring commercial and strategic motives. Visuals, montage of state meetings, handshake shots, public domain or stock.